Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are discussing about chat sending problem on Facebook. Whenever you are trying to send a message to anyone, it will not send and try again later. So make sure to watch the video till the end to get rid of this problem. And here we go. The first thing that you have to do is to update your messenger to the latest version. If it is not, simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store, type for the messenger right here, and then update the messenger if it is not. The second thing you have to do is to clear cache and data. For this, go to your device settings right here and then go to applications management according to your device and then find messenger. In messenger, go to storage usage and then from here click on clear data and clear cache. I hope it will resolve your problem completely. After that, let's go to messenger and send a message to anyone like I'm sending here. So as you can see, the message has been sent successfully, and I hope this will resolve your problem also. So make sure that do this step by step, and that's the end for today's video. So if you like the video, make sure to hit this subscribe button and then press the bell icon and turn on notifications on for new upcoming videos. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.